We began YouTube again. Yeah!
What's going on, everyone? Tomas Estrada here, and in this video I wanted to put together some clips from a recent trip I took down to the Columbia River Gorge in Oregon. Unfortunately, the first half of this trip I really didn't plan on making a video, and I kind of just recorded some stuff with my cell phone. I was joined by my friend Parker, and we decided to camp out and chase fall colors. It was actually peak season, and we first stopped at Multnomah Falls. We arrived pretty early to beat the crowds, and we were hoping to get some of the lights still on around the base area. We shot a few shots there, and well, here's a few of what I got. Now the wind and rain started to pick up, so we didn't spend a whole lot of time there, and on the way out we actually stopped at another waterfall, Horsetail Falls, which is just right along the old highway. We were on our way to get breakfast and made a quick stop here, but as you can see, it was pretty windy. After breakfast, we decided to head south to Silver Falls State Park. I've never been there before, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to check it out. So we made the trek down there, and it's a beautiful park, and I think we were just a little bit late for the fall colors. However, it was still fun to hike around and check it out, but I was feeling a little bit uninspired until I came across this scene here. I was just walking down the trail and saw this tree just catching the light with a little bit of mist behind it and fog. Pretty happy with that shot. It also helped me feel a little more inspired after that. We camped out here last night. As you can see, we're set up down there, kind of a artillery range. We're at the trailhead for Abiqua Falls. I've never been here before, he has, so I'm pretty excited. I don't really know what to expect, so we're just gonna go check it out, and let's, enough talking, let's just get to it. Fern goalie. Probably the best time that I could be doing this steep part of the trail here, but we are on the trail, and yeah, a little muddy, not too bad. Got the mud boots on. I got a nice little rope. If I had two hands, I'd be able to use it. Probably can't tell how steep it is on video, but pretty good. It is nice that someone added a little rope here to sort of give you that little reassurance. Nothing's ever for sure, but ooh, getting down to the water here.
looks like it's pretty good.
After a short, fun hike, we had one more corner to turn, and what I saw was this.
We made it. Audio's gonna be terrible because I didn't really bring a filming setup. I didn't think I was gonna make a video, so doing it on the GoPro, trying the best I can, but you may get a voiceover. Anyway, sick.
One of the comps that I wanted to try to shoot was this lower angle, sort of revealing the waterfall behind this rock. I really liked the way the water kind of made a turn around this, so about a fifth of a second, get a little bit of movement, and this is the shot that I got. I have been told I have a face for radio, whatever that means, so it was naturally time for me to do some modeling. Parker had me position myself in front of the falls, and he got a few good shots, I think. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't really get any portfolio type pieces, however, I did have a great time, and really to me, photography is about the adventure, as corny and cliche as that sounds. It was still a lot of fun hanging out with my buddy Parker, doing some camping and visiting some new locations.
Hey? Ta-da! That could be my thumbnail.
If you guys like this type of content, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Maybe if I tell people right now during this part while I'm juggling two things that I didn't film anything while I was getting comps, but you guys will forgive me because I'm making a solid effort trying to hike up this thing, and apologize for maybe a little gap in the content.